How to clear WhatsApp storage space. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen and here select on settings. As you select on settings, scroll down and tap on the option of storage and data. Now you can see the option of manage storage. So tap on manage storage at the top of the screen and here you'll be able to see all the storage. You can review and delete items if the files are larger than 5 MB. So you can simply tap on the data over here and you can simply select any of these data or files that you'd want to remove over here. So you can simply tap on select all at the top of the screen, or you can simply select on a particular one over here and then tap on delete. So as you do that, you'll be able to create and clear the WhatsApp storage space if you do it for all. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.